most buyers go for the less expensive 25i. With its 170 horsepower and a CVT, a Forester 25i ranked third in a three-way comparison against the Toyota RAV4 and our favorite in this category, the Mazda CX-5. Its downfalls in that test lackluster acceleration, the droning effect of the CVT's operation, and a fussy infotainment system are all addressed by the latest 20XT Touring. The 20-liter direct-injected turbocharged Boxer 4 generates 250 horsepower. Smooth, strong, and quiet except for a grainy texture at idle, felt in the floor more than heard, it propelled this Forester from 0 to 60 mph in 6.3 seconds and onto a quarter mile in 15.0 at 97 mph. The sprint to 60 mph is not only a healthy 2.3 seconds ahead of the equivalent 25i, it also represents a significant 0.7 second edge over the Escape with its 20-liter EcoBoost and a 1.4 second advantage over the CX-5 with its 2.5-liter Skyactiv 4. The 20XT even outruns the 3.2-liter V6 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk all the way down the drag strip. Where our test drivers complained about the 2.5i CVT's operation nearly as loudly as the naturally aspirated four-cylinder droned under full throttle, the 20XT's electronic programming renders the transmission choice a moot point. While we'd still be happier if Subaru would offer a 6-speed manual, and we wonder if that might allow for a tow rating higher than this model's 1,500-pound limit, the XT has a simulated stepped gear operation that lesser Foresters lack. In its intelligent, normal, and sport settings which also affect throttle mapping, it mimics a 6-speed automatic, and in Sport Sharp it allows manual selection of 8 ratios via shift paddles. It does a better job than Honda CR-V does of masking the CVT's more objectionable characteristics, particularly in ordinary driving. Alas, acceleration tests were the only bragging point for Subaru at the track, where the numbers showed the Forester on the trailing edge of the segment in both braking and road holding. Stopping from 70 mph took 180 feet, and the skid pad result of only 0.75 grams exposed moderate understeer and notable body roll, despite the sport-tuned suspension that comes on the 20XT. Both results fell short of even the Forester 2.5i's test figures. This car wore Bridgestone dualers on its 18-inch rims, while the lesser model had Yokohama Geoland DARs on 17s. Both tire choices are known more for off-road prowess than are the grippier, street-oriented tires fitted to the nimbler CX-5 and Escape, although we should also note that both Foresters exhibited better suppression of road noise than in previous generations. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and a handy X-Mode program activated via a console button to enhance off-road performance, the Forester retains credibility in the boonies, a supposed SUV attribute many competitors ignore. It's no rock-crawling Jeep Wrangler, but it's willing to wander farther off pavement than a gravel driveway.